all of you are ready. And before starting, I will suggest that yes, you can click on the like button, and because you are going to like this class definitely, and share this with your friends, share it in your status, share it in your WhatsApp, Facebook, everywhere, so that your all friends can join the session and they can also watch this. Because ultimately before exam, those who are preparing for data structure algorithm, it will be helpful for them. And we are going to do all types of question here, all types of revision, everything will be done. Yes, 7 p.m. class here today. Mock test is not there, but in YouTube classes they are 7 p.m. Okay, Saturday Sunday no mock test, but Saturday Sunday the classes are there 7 p.m. I will send the link for the 7 p.m. also. So let's start the revision. Here in this revision, what are the topics coming under data structure and algorithm, from where mainly questions are coming? That is array, stack, queue, linked list, hash table. From here main important part is linked list, hash table, heap, graph, tree. Very important questions are always coming here. And next one is from the algorithm here under tree. This is very important under tree, all types of tree. Tree data structure, tree traversal, full tree, binary tree, complete binary tree, balanced binary tree, AVL tree, B tree, B plus tree, reg black tree, B tree, B plus tree. Normally coming the question as per the DBMS, but for your data structure algorithm, your binary tree, binary search tree, balanced binary tree, these are very important. Next thing is coming to the algorithm. Under graph based algorithm, what are coming under graph based algorithm? That is graph data structure, spanning tree. It is coming under your unit 1 also, prims, cruscals and all that. It is also here. So spanning tree, strongly connected component, adjacency matrix, DFS, BFS, very important algorithm. Yesterday also I told DFS, BFS, very important. Next important is Bell-Manford algorithm. This is also very important algorithm. And other than that, whatever coming in searching and sorting. For searching, sorting, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort, these are very important. After that the counting sort, radix sort is there, but they are not that much not important. But rather than that, your binary search, bubble sort, selection sort, merge sort, these are very important. Okay, so what are important that we are going to do here, every important points, every important algorithm and topics we will do. Definitely within this 2 hours everything will be, we will be 2 hours or 3 hours, whatever. If I am giving full day also, whatever important that I am going to cover here, all the important question, all the important topic with your concept, everything will be done here. Even also I will provide you the chart also, everything we are doing here. Okay, and definitely you can get the question, because I am trying to give you all the different types of question. Definitely you will get the question. Okay, so here the under greedy algorithm, these are what are important. That is disaster algorithm, Kruskal algorithm, Prim's algorithm. These are very important. Hoffman also sometimes coming. And under dynamic, Floyd-Warshall also coming under dynamic. And the longest common subsequence, sometimes they are asking subsequence question. Greedy algorithm, here it is coming under the disaster and Prim's Hoffman that I already told. So without wasting time, let's start the class with the important part, and we will start with the tree first, because tree is most important. Tree, queue, sum queue, question. Directly I am going to linked list. Linked list is most important. Directly we can go to the linked list, because what are important topic I already told you, from where the questions can come and what are the more difficult area. From that area we will do the question. So here is the question on linked list. You can see linked list or tree. I think if I am starting with linked list, then you will be little bit confused. Rather than that, let's try with tree. First of all, we will do the easy one, that is tree. After that we can go for the other part, because tree is most important and from tree questions are always coming. Okay, so let's go for tree first. After that I will come to the next topic. So we will go for the tree data structure first. So tree data structure, here whenever we are doing tree data structure, first of all your root label, these are called label, and it can be asking about depth also, it can go about the height also. What is the height, what is the depth, which are called leaf node, which are called internal node. Except leaf node, all are your internal node. And from the tree data structure, your main means what are called root, these are called left branch, right branch, child, leaf, this you all know. Now here this is the all terminologies related to tree, that is also very known to you. Now how we can represent the tree, either we can represent like a pointer also, like this pointer, here is the left pointer, right pointer, here we will take that again, and here there will be the pointer again. In that way we can explain the tree. Now in the full binary tree, from where mainly concepts are required. Full binary tree, strict binary tree, what are the difference? From here students are getting more confused. Sometimes question are coming also, they will give you the some example and it will ask that it is full binary tree or not. Full binary tree means it is a tree that has either 0 child or 2 child. Either 0 or 2. There will be no 1 child. If I am drawing this, then it will be not a full binary tree. Okay. Next one is complete binary tree. Complete binary tree means you can see here is 1 child that is accepted here. 1 child that is accepted here. A complete binary tree is another specific type of binary tree where all the tree label this label are complete except the lowest level, and it will follow the pattern like this way. First you will go for completing left, after that right, then again left, then right. That's why you can see this pattern is completed here, the label completed. After that I am coming to this level, and in this level it is not completed. That's why it is complete binary tree. The difference between complete binary tree and the full binary tree is a very, very important difference. Is this clear? Is this clear, the difference? This is a complete binary tree, but this is not a full binary tree. We cannot say this is a full binary tree because of this 1 child. In full binary tree there will be no 1 child. Okay, I hope it is clear. Perfect binary tree, what is perfect binary tree? Where always completely strictly 2 child will be there, that is called perfect binary tree. And the height of the perfect binary tree, when there is h, then total number of node will be, from here questions are coming, 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1. This is a very, very important formula from where binary, whenever we are doing binary tree, then the formulas are very, very important. So many formulas I am going to tell you. Take the notes, everyone take a note. You need to take the notes, all of you take the notes, because the questions are coming from here. This is your first formula, that is when it is a perfect binary tree with height h, then number of node will be 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1. That is the number of node. Write it down. Okay. So you can see here how it is 2 to the power h plus 1. These are the some examples. Through the example it is a proof. But this formula is very, very important. Note it down. Okay. Clear? You can see here is the height 0. That's why if I am doing 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1 means 2 to the power 0 plus 1 here, then after that minus 1. So I can put here that is 2 to the power 0 plus 1 means 2 to the power 1 means 2 minus 1, that is 1. So there is 1 child. Here height 2 if you are putting, then you will get 3. Here what is the height? Height 3 if you are putting, then you will get this one. This is very important formula. Okay. Next is balanced binary tree. What is the main concept of balanced binary tree? Main concept of balanced binary tree is height of the right subtree and left subtree. Difference will be always either 0 or 1. It cannot be more than 1. Sometimes it is telling like that minus 1, 0 or 1. These are the values. Other than that any values are not accepted in balanced binary tree. At most 1. And the balanced binary tree to do that balancing, what is the complexity? Complexity is coming order of log n. That is the complexity. So here you can see order of log n. Right. Degenerated binary tree. What is called degenerated binary tree? Means it is a one-sided tree. You can see it is a one-sided tree. Only one child, single child. Everyone have single child. Two childs are not there. That's why it is called a degenerated tree. Next one is the maximum number of nodes in label L. These are the properties are very important. From here 99% chances there you will get one question. 99% chances there you will get one question. So that's why remember it. Okay. So here you can see the label L binary tree will be 2 to the power L. 2 to the power L. If the label is L, then there will be number of your node 2 to the power L. When the maximum number of node in a binary tree with h, that is 2 to the power h plus 1 minus 1, that we just now did it. Here when the binary tree with n nodes, maximum possible height or the minimal number of label will be log 2 n base n plus 1. Log n plus 1. In a binary tree, L leaves are there, at least there will be log 2L plus 1 label. These are very important formula. Write down these all formulas. Okay. Now we need to go for in order, pre-order, post-order. This is a very important question. Nowadays, so many repeated questions are coming from here. I am going to ask you the question. Before that, do the revision. How to do the in order, how to do the pre-order, how to do the post-order. Be ready for the question. I am going to ask you question just now. In order means easy one, easiest one in order, just do the free fall. How to do? Just do the free fall and that will be your in order. 4, 2, 5, 1, 3. This is your in order. It is simple way you can do it. Because in order means root will be in the middle. Pre-order means root will be in the starting. Post-order means root will be in the end. That's why how to do pre-order? First of all, I have to visit root. After that, I need to get left, then right. That's why we can see 1, 2, 4, 5. And finally, you can come to this right, that is 3. And whenever we are doing post-order, we will start from the extreme child left, so left, that's why, then right 5. After that you can visit the root, then you can go to the right, then finally you can visit the root. That's why it is 4, 5, 2, 3, 1. Now the problem is that question will ask not in direct way. Question will give you some order and you need to do the next order. Like this type of question are mainly asking. So let's do this question of in order, pre-order and post-order. After that I will come to the next topic. And before doing the tree structure, the binary search tree also required, because most of the time whatever order they will ask in the binary search tree. Normal binary tree and binary search tree, what is the difference? What is the difference? Difference is that root will be in the middle. All the less than child will be in the left part, all the greater than child will be in the right part. From here questions are coming, you need to create a binary search tree. Okay, can I able to watch the video? Yes, you can. So here root will be less than and this will be right. Search property of BST. Okay, this is the searching property of BST. So that's why it is looking like this. See that all the less than elements are in the left child, all the greater than element will be the right child. Now let's go to the question. And here the complexities are also very important. Whenever we are doing the complexity for normal binary tree, at the time of binary tree when the childs are there, then these are the complexity. Complexities are very important. Okay, chalo. Now let's go for the question directly, because if I am doing lots of theory, then you will be little bit thinking that okay, what the ma'am is doing, ma'am is not asking question, We came here to do the question. Why ma'am is not asking question? Maybe you will think like that. So let's go for the question first. Binary search tree question, all types of question we will do. After that I will come back to the topic again. I will ask you a easy question. So it is a binary search tree question. Do this one. This is a binary search tree question. Do it. Here, easy one. A binary search tree constructed in this following order. Then how many number of left subtree is there? What will be the number of left subtree? "86 learners are watching, but you forgot to click on like button." If you forgot to click on like button, you can click. So that I will be happy. Whenever you are clicking on like and you are commenting, then I am feeling happy. Yes, answers are coming. Answer will be 7 definitely. How to do it? It will start with 60. After that it is 25, means this is less than. So I will go for 25. Then after that 72. 72 is greater than 15. 15 means it is less than 60, less than 25. That's why 15 will come here. 30. 30 is greater than 25. 68. 68 is less than 72. That's why it will come here. 101. 101 is greater than 72. That's why it will come here. 13 is less than 15. That's why it is coming here. 18 is greater than 15. That's why it is here. 47 is greater than 30. So 47 is coming here. Finally 70. 70 is less than 72, greater than 68. That's why 70 is coming here. 34, where it will come? 25, it is greater than 30, it is less than 47. That's why 34 is coming here. It will be your tree. And how many elements are there? There are 7 elements. You can see there are 7 elements only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer will be 7. Okay. Got it? Clear? How to draw? How to draw the binary search tree? In this way you can draw the binary search tree. Shortcut so definitely there. Yagya, whatever shortcut you are telling, that is so definitely there, because shortcut is also we can apply. Here it is binary search tree, as this will be the tree. Out of this all, what are the less than element, that will be in the left subtree. That's why directly we can do the answer also, that 25 is less than 70, 15 is less than 70, 30 is less than 70, 13 is less than 70, 18 is less than 70, 47 is less than 70, and 34 is less than 70. So that's why we can directly do the answer also 7. That is also we can do. Here I told that how to draw, because sometimes question are coming in different way, where they will not ask you only counting, they will ask you any different question, then you will be not able to do. If they are asking how many elements, then without drawing this true tree also, you can go for counting. What are less than, that will be left subtree. What are greater than, that will be the right subtree. So quickly within 30 seconds you can do the answer without counting. Right? Okay. Yes. So now here we can see that the next question I will ask you, that is, there will be some order given, and from the order you need to do the answer. This is the question. Do this one. Here you can see the question is, the pre-order is given to you. The pre-order traversal of the binary tree is given by this one. Now you have to do the post-order traversal. How to do pre-order to post-order? Do this one and answer. What will be the correct answer? Post order. What will be the post order of this question? Do it and tell me the answer. Okay, Lakshmi is answering. Yes, answers are coming. Lakshmi, Yagya, all are answering. Answer is 2 only. So how to do it? How to draw it? I am telling you how to draw. See that here this is the correct answer. How to draw? First of all, it is your pre-order given. This is the pre-order given. You have to do the post order. For that, first of all, you need to draw but it is the binary search tree, right? As it is the binary search tree means pre-order means it is your root. So you got the root is 12, that is fixed. Now whenever I am getting the root is 12, all the less than element will be in the left subtree, greater than element will be in the right subtree. That is I know. So all the less than element of 12 and greater than element of 12 we will write down here. So in that way we are getting here all the less than element here and all the greater than element here. After that, from the next one, whenever we are doing, the next is 8. So from here you will get this 8 is your child. 8 is your root. Whenever you are getting 8 is root, then all the less than element in the left and greater than in the right, and always write down in a ascending order so that it will be easy for you. Now you are writing these all are here in left and these all are here in the right. Now the next element you are getting, this is your root. So make the root as 6. Whenever you are making root as 6, then 2 is left, 7 is right. It's done. 2, 7 is already done. Next element is 9. So from here 9 is your root, 10 will be your next child. After that, next one what will be, the 10 is done. Next one is 16. So from here 16 is your root. So less than element is 15 and 17, 19 means 17 is coming here. 17, 19, 20 is here. Now 15 is done. 19 is the root. So 19 is the root here. 17 will be here. 20 will be here. In this way you can do it and that will be your answer. This is the way how to frame the tree. Binary search tree, how to frame. This is the way. Is it clear? Is this clear how to frame? Always from the pre-order check it one by one root, because pre-order will tell you which one is the root. And the left subtree means I will give it to the left subtree. Right subtree means that is the greater than will be in the right subtree. In this way you can form the tree and after that you can do the answer, because after that just do the post order traversal. Post order means the 2, 7, after that I can visit 6. Then after that I can come to 10, then 9, then finally I can visit 8, and then I have to come to 15, then 17, then 20, then 19, then finally 16 and finally 12. So that's why your answer will be post order. That's why your answer will be post order. First of all draw the tree, then do the post order. Post order is what? Left. First of all left, then right, then root. That is your post order. So we did the post order here. I hope it is clear to everyone. It is clear to everyone. Can I ask you another question? Can I ask you another question? What is the new current pattern question? I will ask you a new current pattern question of tree. So topic wise we will go today. So current pattern question is this one. Do this one. this is the current pattern question. Do this one. In the current pattern, they will not give you the number. They are not giving you number. They are giving you pre-order, in order. Number they are not giving. They are giving pre-order, in order, and from the pre-order, in order, you have to do here post-order. Now how to do and what will be the correct answer? This is your 2022 question, and nowadays this is a pattern. They are asking like this way. I'll do this. How to do it? A, B, C, D. Which one is the correct answer? Okay, Arpita is telling D. Shamim is telling A. Sital telling D. Answers are coming, and thank you. 100 live learners are here. I am so happy to see that. Thank you very much. Thank you. I can see 100 live learners are here. That's great. That's great. So 100 likes should be there definitely. As I can see 100 live learners, all of you please click on the like button now only, so that I can see quickly the 100 likes are here. I can see the 100 likes are here. All of you, those who are watching, you can click on the like button. That will be great. Yes, chalo. Now whenever I told, yes, chalo. So what will be the answer here? How to do? See that. How to do? See. Here the answer is option D. Option D is the correct answer. How to do? In pre-order, from the pre-order I need to identify A is my root. I got is the identification. Now in order means here is A means all the childs are in the left subtree. So for A there is no right child. It is confirmed for A there is no right child. All are left child. All are left child. There is no right child. That is confirmed. So from here, if I am confirming this, these all are right, left child means it is all are left. Now here also you can eliminate. This one cannot be your answer. This one cannot be your answer. Okay. These are not the answer. Definitely these are not your answer. You can eliminate. Now after that, go ahead in the next. Next one is your B. B is the next root. So whenever B is the next root, you can make the B as next root. You can identify B is here. B is here means all the element, it is your in order means your E, I, C, F, J, these all are in the left of B, and G, D, K, H, L, A all are in the right. That is done. Now after that you can see the next one. So from here the next one is your, so already you can get your answer. Here also AB, here also AB. You cannot get your answer till now. Now the next one is C. So when the next one is C, you can see here is C. So EI is the left and FG is the right. So you can get here EI in the left and FJ in the right. That is done. Now after that you can see how to go ahead. Now next one is E. So EI already we did. FJ. Next one is E means E is your root. So whenever you are able to find out the root, then I is your right subtree. I is your right child. After that here I done, then F means F is your root. If now you got here F is your root, so J is your child. It's done. Now D. So whenever you are able to get the D, D is your root here. So G will be your left child, and this K, H, L, A, these are in the right subtree. After that, next one is G. G is done already. Next one is H. So H is your root. So from here you can make H as a root. So before H there is K. So means K is my left and LA in my right. After that, K is already done. Now L is your root. So L is your root and A is the right of L. So A will be the in the right of L. So you got your tree drawing is done. After drawing the tree, now you can erase this all because you got your tree. Now it is ultimately your tree. This is ultimately your tree. Now you can do this. What will be the correct answer? It was asking you the post order. Post order means I will start from the left subtree. So EI, that is coming here EI. After drawing the left part also you can get the answer. You can see E here it is IE. IE is not your answer. EI is your answer. So without drawing this right subtree also you can do the answer by drawing this one. After drawing the left subtree you can do the answer. Although I did it. A is the root. Yes, A is the root here. A is the root here. Oh sorry. A to root already we did. Sorry. A to already we did. Sorry. A to already we did. Sorry. A is repeated next time. It is the already root. Sorry. A to already root I did it. Yes. Sorry. A already done. So that's why you got the answer here. Clear? So just we will traverse and after that we can do the answer, and in exam hall no need to do the right subtree. Without right subtree also you can do it. I hope it is clear to everyone. Yes. Chalo. Now the next type of questions are coming on post order and pre-order. They are asking you pre-order, post-order question. That is, I am going to ask you, do this pre-order, post-order question. That is, just let me search once. This is, I think this is also 2000. Okay, pre-order, post-order question is this one. Okay, now I am not able to find out. Somewhere it is there. We will do it. Don't worry, we will do it. Pre-order, post-order questions are coming. Next topic is hashing. Hashing is the next important topic from your data structure. Pre-order, post-order, we will do it. Heap and hashing. This is the next topic, and next topic we need to do. After that, we will do some random question. Don't worry, we will do the random question. Before that, do the heap. Max heap and mean heap. This is also very important. Do this one. Max heap, mean heap. Here these are the question on max heap. Here is the question on max heap. You need to do the max heap, and after that you need to tell me what will be the answer. Max heap and mean heap, what is that? The max heap means always root will be greater than of all the child. Mean heap means always here your parent will be greater than of all the child, and mean heap means parent will be less than of all the child. That is called mean heap, and this is called max heap. The difference between max heap and mean heap is this one only. So do the answer. Do this one. Okay, some of the students are giving answer already, I think. Arpita. What about others? Okay, Arpita, Neela, answers are coming. So here what to do? See that C, D, so many answers are coming. Answer is D only. So how to do that? How to do? See that how to do. Here it is the elements are given. You need to draw the heap. Whenever you are drawing deep, you need to draw the pattern like this snake pattern. It is a snake pattern. So here 42. After that, less than element will be there is no less or greater. Don't mix with the BST. It is not BST. Just we will fill the root. After that left, then right, again left, again right. In this way we need to do that. Okay, this is the way how to solve it. So 42, after that here is 50, 25. 25 is coming in the this one. After that here is 30. Till now, is it following the pattern? Is it following the pattern? Yes, there is no problem. Max is greater, there is no problem. After that 40, where the 40 is coming? 40 is coming here. Is it correct? Is this correct? 25 is less than 40. 25 is less than 40. So it is not correct. So I need to perform a heapify operation here. That's why I need to do the swapping. How to do the swapping? The swapping is required here. That is 40 is here, 25 is here. Right? 25 is here, 40 is here. We did the swapping. After that, what to do? Next element is 22. So I am sending next element here. That is 22. It's okay. 22 will come here. That is no problem. After that, the next element is 35. So whenever I am doing 35, is it in the correct place? Is it in the correct place? No. I have to do again the heapify operation, that is the swapping. So here will be 35 and here will be 30. After that, next element is 26. So 26 will be here, no problem. So it is your final tree now. Now what is the order? The order is 42, 40, 35, 25, 22, 30, 26. So that's why 42, 40, 35. This is the correct answer. Always at the time of doing max heap or min heap, always remember that you have to, at the time of insertion, whenever you are inserting, whenever the insertion is going on, at the time of insertion you need to check it, that is it satisfying the max heap or min heap property. If it is satisfying, then it is okay. If it is not satisfying, then I need to do the swap operation. After doing swap operation only, you are able to do the correct answer. This is the way how to do it. Is this clear? Clear to everyone? Yes? Yes or no? I hope it is clear. Chalo. Achha, now the most of the type of heap tree question we did. Let's do the hashing quickly, because hashing is a topic from where you can get question of 10 marks. Hashing is a topic from where 10 marks question means, that is a comprehension type question can come here. Mean heap also same way. Mean heap means there will be top element will be mean. Top element will be the mean. That is called mean heap. Okay. So hashing, first of all, there are what are the different types of hashing and from where mainly questions are coming. Different types of hashing is, first of all, questions are coming from linear probing. This is a very important one from where mostly questions are coming. Linear probing is very simple way. Simple way is that here we are taking a hash function. How the hash function is going on as per the table size. There will be the table as per the table size. we are doing the mod operation with the size of the table. So after the mod operation, we are going to place one by one into the table index. If it is not available, means if the collision occur, if the space is not available, if the collision occur, then we have to go to the next. If here also it is not possible, then I have to go to the next. Again I have to go to the next. That is the way how the linear probing is working. And mostly question are asking from linear probing. So that's why let's do some question on linear probing, and after that we will go for the next topic. So here if you are solving this question on linear probing, then actually your all the concept will be clear. This is a easy question. First of all do this one, after that we will go for the next topic. Do this one. This is a easy question. Nowadays it is also 99% confirmed topic. Every year they are asking question from hashing. It is very important. And 10 marks question. Why I am telling? Because through the linear probing I am going to show you how they can frame the question and how they can ask you 5 consecutive questions, so that 5 into 2 10 marks can be here. They can ask you. Do this one. What will be the answer? Answer is Gauri Shankar. Gauri Shankar is giving answer. Okay, answers are coming here. Some students are giving answer D, but D is the wrong answer. C is the correct answer here. D is wrong, C is correct answer. So many of you are giving answer D, but D is wrong. C is the correct answer. Those who are telling D, they are wrong. They are wrong. How to do it? Here you can see the table size is given 7. That's why we are doing mod 7 operation. Okay. So here we are doing mod 7 operation. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here the mod 7 operation is going on. Whenever we are doing the mod 7 operation, 44 mod 7, what to do? You are dividing 44 by 7. So 6 7 is 42. Here you are getting remainder 2. Mod means what is the remainder? That is called mod. If I am dividing this one, 6 7s are 42. 2 is the remainder. 2 is the remainder means I have to go to 2. That's why 44 will get the place here. 45, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 3. That's why 45 is here. Next one is 79. Where will be the 79? 7 11s are 77. 2 is the remainder. 79, whenever I am doing 79 mod 7, then also I am getting 2 is the remainder. So now you can see that it is already blocked. It is already blocked. So where will be the 79? 79 will be here. Here one collision occur. Here one collision occur, right? That's why 79 is here. 55, where to place the 55? Where to place 55? 55 means 7 7s are 49. If you are dividing 55, then 7 7s is 49. 6 is the remainder. So means 55 will be the place of 6. 91. 91 is 7 13s are 91. 7 13s are 91. That's why remainder is 0. 91 will be here. 18. Where will be 18? 7 2s are 14. 4 is the remainder. So for here it is pointing to 4. This is pointing to 4, but the space is blocked. That's why 18 will be here. Finally 63. 7 9s are 63, right? But here it is going to the 0, but here is a collision. That's why 63 is coming here. It was asking the location for 63. So the location for 63 will be 1. Location for 63 will be 1. Okay? Yes. Now tell me one thing, that how many collision occur? Question are asking like that way also. How many collision occur? Can't tell me that. How many collision occur? Ma'am, that remedy you posted of suntan, there is a English version also. Suntan, there is a English version also. It is in Unify Lifestyle I posted. In Unify Lifestyle I posted the tan removal. That is there. That is English version also there. Okay. I am sending you the link of the English version. Tell me how many collision will be the occur. Yes. So here number of collision, you are telling number of collision is 3, 4. What is the answer? Exact correct answer. What is the correct answer? 3, 4. Answer 3 is coming. So here the collision for 79, how many collisions occur? You can count in this way. To count in this way. For 79, here for 79, 79 should be here. 79 should be in the place 2. It is not getting here in the place 2. It is not getting here. It is getting here. For 79, there is 2 collision. For 3, for 18, how many collisions are there? 18 should be in the place 4. 18 should be in the place 4, but it is coming here. So for 18, there is 1 collision. And for 63, 63 should be here. It is coming here. For 63, there is 1 collision. So total number of collision will be 4. Those who are telling 4, they are correct. Those who are telling 3, they are wrong. Answer is 4. This way question can ask. I can see everyone is telling 3. Swati only told 4. Other than that, everyone told the wrong answer 3, 3, 3, 3. Answer is 4. Correct answer is 4. Correct answer is 4. 4 is the correct answer. 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Total number of collision is 4. Remember it. Questions are coming from here also. 79, there are 2 collision, because 79 place will be in this place. Place will be 79 is correct place is in 2. It was already blocked. Here also next one is blocked. So it is collision number 1. This is collision number 2. 2 times collision occur. That's why total will be 4. Don't do mistake here. I am telling you repetitively, 5 consecutive question can be here like this way. Ki what will be the position of this one? How many collision occur? Yes, 4 is the correct answer. This is 2. For this one, 1 collision. For this one, 1 collision. 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. 4 is the correct answer. 79, 79 we are counting 2. 2 times collision. Be careful. High chance question can come from here. Got it? Clear? Is this clear to everyone? Now clear? Okay. Yes. So here the question is that what is the location of 18? Key location of 18. This is a home task I am giving for you. You can try the home task same way you have to do it. And answer will be 5. Okay. I am not doing the same question again. Now I am going to do the next question, and that is a highly expected question, from where you can get the comprehension type question. this is this one. Do this one. Do this one. High chance is there. Do this one. Do this answer. 5 5 5 5. What happened? 5 5 5 5. 5 means what is 5? Acha, for the last question. For last question you are telling the answer. Okay. Do this one. Do this one. Okay, okay, do this one. Highly expected area. Do it. 5 question, that is comprehension type question, can come from here. Okay, answers are coming here. I can see the answer. Yes, the answer will be C. Definitely the answer will be C. How to do this question? How to do? The question will be like that. It is already given कि the table is look like this. It is asking you what is the order, what is the correct order, that is it is asking, right? So that's why what to do here, you can see here, that is which one is not in correct place. 42 is in correct place because I am doing mod 10, so that is in correct place. 23 also in correct place. 34 also in correct place. 52 not in correct place. 52 should be in the position 2, but it is not in position 2. So it is very sure that before 52 definitely 42, 23 and 34 came. That's why 52 did not get chance and 52 get the chance here, right? Now after that 46 in correct place. Again 33 is not in correct place because 33 should be here, but definitely before 33 everyone arrived. That's why 33 get the chance in the last. Now go for the option. Where is 52? Before 52, 42, 23 and 34 should be here. Here you can see after 52, 23 is there. That's why it is not possible. Here you can see 52. So after 52 here is the 32. Before that 20, 42, 23, 34 all are there. It can be my answer. Here also you can see where is 52. Here is 52. It can be my answer. But according to 33 should be in the last. Definitely before 33 all these arrived. That's why 33 should be in the last. You can see 33 after that 46 came. That is not possible. Here also after 33 these all came. That is not possible. Only one option is remaining. This is the correct option, and that's why your answer will be option C. This is the way how to solve it. You need to check that yes, when it's occur, why it's occur, and what is the possibility, and you can do the answer. So now tell me how many collision occur. You got the sequence. Now from this sequence you can tell me how many collision occur here. Number of collision. How many number of collision occur here? How many collision occur here? You are not getting. Once again see that, just check it what is not in correct place. but you need to check which is not in correct place. 52 not in correct place. Normally 52 mod 10 it should be in number 2, but it is not in number 2. It is not in number 2, it is here. Means it is very sure that when 52 came, before that 42, 23 and 34 came. So in my option I will check 52, after that 23 not possible, before 23, before that 23 should be there. That's why we can eliminate this option. According to the 33 correct position should be number 3. It should be here, but 33 is here, means before that they all arrived. That's why. So before 33 definitely 34 to 52, 46 arrived. So now place it. Where is 33? Here is 33, after that 46, not possible. Here is 33, after that here is the 52 and all, that is not possible. That's why definitely it is my answer. Got it? Those who are not getting, I repeated for you. So it is the correct answer. That's why. Now see that I ask you what is the number of collision. So how many collisions occur here? When the collisions occur? Collision occur for 52. First of all, the collision occur for 52. So for 52, 52 should be here. So here is the first collision, second collision, third collision. So for 52 there are 3 collision, and for 33 should be here, but it did not get chance. So first, second, third, fourth, 4 collision occur. So total 7, not 8. Total 7 collision occur. Understand it very carefully. How many times you are not getting place, that is collision. You are not getting place means it is also collision. So for 33 number of collision is 3, number of collision is 4, and for 52 number of collision is 3. It is not getting place means it is there is collision. That's why it is happening. So total 7 collision. High chance, I am telling you, high chance question can be here. Set questions are asking this type of question, you can get the question. Okay, chalo. Now do the next. Here how many different types of insertion sequence can be there? How many different types of insertion sequence can be there? They can ask you total probing also, or they can ask you ki is this a correct sequence or not. Like this way also they can make the sequence and they can ask you. It is very easy to form 5 questions from hashing. High chance, highly expected. What will be the answer? Answer. What is the correct answer? Answers are not coming. Some of you are giving answer, Varsha and all. So here correct answer is 30. 30 is the correct answer. Here we need to make the permutation combination concept. Here what is the concept? Just now we saw that before 52 there is the chance that how many cases are there before 52. These are the cases. You can see when 52 came, these are the cases. No formula, you need to understand it. Before 52, 42, 23 and 34 can come. It is one case. Another case is that before 52, 42, 23, 34, 46 all can come. This is another case. So for the first case, how many ways are there? 3 factorial, that's why 6 way. For the second case, how many ways are there? 4 factorial, that is 24 ways. 24 ways are there. Why, ma'am? How it is possible? Because like this way, you can think the sequence can be like that: 42, 23, 34, then 52. It can be also sequence 42, 34, 23, then 52. That can be also sequence 34, 42, 23, 52. That can be also sequence 23, 42, 34, 52. That can be also sequence. In this way, how many combinations are possible? There are 3 variable. That's why there are 3 factorial combinations are possible. So that's why 6. And here is 4 way, because before 52, 46 can also come. Because with the 46, 52 there is no relation. 46 is coming in the place of 6. So with 52 there is no relation. So 46 can come before 52 also. If I am taking this combination, then how many ways are there? 4 factorial ways are there. That's why what is the total coming? From here 6 way, from here the 24 way, that is total 30 ways are there. For 33 there is only one way, because 33 is always coming at the last. For 33 there is no other thing. 33 always coming at the last. And that's why 33 there is only one. So for 33 just before 52 only it will come. If I am taking all the combination for 52, then automatically 30 will also come with that. That's why total number is 30. 30 total possibilities will be there. Got it? Clear? This is the way how you need to solve, and it is the answer and highly expected question. From the hashing, it is a highly expected question. So now go for the next topic. The next topic is this one. So all the tree we did, but we did not AVL tree. AVL tree is also a very important topic. Let's do the AVL tree. Yes, I was asking about this one. Acha, do this one, infix. Do this one. This is one type of question which is coming from data structure. This is also a very important question. Nowadays, they are asking like this question ki reverse Polish notation. Infix expression, there is the infix expression, and from this infix expression, reverse Polish means you have to do the postfix. Infix to postfix you need to convert, and nowadays they are asking this question. This is a very important question. Why I select 52? Because 52 was not in correct place. Because 52 was not in correct place. That's why I select 52. (52) come before 46, not 46 is in 46 is 1/6 position. There is no relation between 46 and 52. 46 will come in 6th position. So there was no clash with 52, right? So 52 was coming before that. There was no clash. That's why 46 can be. Definitely 46 was in correct position. That's why there was no clash. Okay. Acha, do this answer. Answers are coming here. I can see option 4 is the correct answer. So it is very easy. Just we need to draw the tree. Draw the tree. After drawing tree, it will be very easy for you. Here is the slash, that is your root, because it is given infix. Now it is your left tree, it is your right tree. So from the left tree, your left tree is coming this one, that is left tree. In the left tree you need to find which one is the root of the left tree, this one, star. Now after that A is the left child. Then after that here you can see the plus is here. So this is the plus and B is the right child here, left child here. After that here is the C star. So means here I need to take a star. After that here is C. Then here is D plus E, means there is plus. Here is D and here is E. Like this way we need to draw the tree. If you are drawing the tree, it will be easy for you. Now in the right subtree, here is the star. So here is the star. After that the F. So F is here. Then the plus. So plus will be here. Then G and then H. Okay. Then you need to do the postfix. So postfix means I need to start from the left. A. After that B. Then C. Then D. Then E. Then plus. Then I can visit the star. Then plus. Then star. Now I am coming to the right. F. Then G. Then H. Then plus. Then star. Then slash. That is dividation. So that's why your answer will be this one. This is the way you need to convert the postfix to infix. If this type of expression are given, then first of all draw the tree. Sometimes, yes, it is infix given, you have to do the postfix. It is given infix was given, you need to do the postfix. Okay, Pritik, read the question carefully. The reverse Polish notation of the following infix expression. The expression was given in infix, you need to do the postfix. So that's why your answer is this one. Sometimes maybe brackets will be not given. So you need to put the brackets. Try to put the bracket and do the answer. And that's why we are doing the mock test every day. Here we are doing subject wise, topic wise important question we are solving. But 7 PM every day I am taking mock test where I am asking different types of question throughout the syllabus. Definitely join the 7 PM mock test. It is also free. It is also free class where I am giving the poll and from the poll you need to answer. I am giving strict time. Within the time you have to answer. And even also you can see the leaderboard also, how you are performing, how others are performing, how much time you are taking to solve, how much time others are taking to solve. And regularly every day we are solving 20 to 25 question, different types of question, high quality question we are solving there. So that's why definitely every day 7 PM free mock test try to attempt. Join our free mock test. I am sending the link in the Telegram channel. Be connected with the Telegram channel. Telegram channel is Unify Study. The Telegram channel link also I am sending here. All of you join the Telegram channel and must join the 7 PM free mock test. This 7 PM free mock test is going on Unacademy platform. You need to install the app and through the app you can join. But that is very important. Okay. Reverse Polish means that is postfix. Reverse Polish means it is postfix only. That is the meaning. Okay. That is the meaning. Acha, I am going to the next question. Do the next question and now the next question is the DFS BFS. This is the next topic. DFS BFS is very important topic. So do the DFS BFS. After that I will come to the next topic on data structure algorithm. So DFS BFS. Yes. So in DFS BFS what is going on? Here is the difference between DFS and BFS. You can see yesterday also we did the DFS BFS. So the DFS BFS normal theory to easy, but whenever we are solving the question, then only students are getting confused and then you are not able to do. That's why directly I am coming to the question of DFS and BFS. Solve the question. Through that question only your concept will be clear. So first question I am asking on DFS. After that I will ask question on BFS. This is a question on DFS. Do the question. DFS means it is depth first search because it is going from one node to another node which is connected. I can move to the connected node only. I cannot move to that node which is not connected. So do it. What will be the correct answer? Kashish. Hi ma'am, I am your big fan. The way teach is incredible. You are God computer science. Thank you Kashish. Kashish Sharma. Thank you. Do the class, continue the class and try to do the mock test also. 7 PM I am taking mock test. I am giving the link of the Telegram channel. All of you join the Telegram channel link and must join the regular mock test also. That will be also very helpful to you. Regularly I am taking class on Telegram. I pin the link also of the Telegram. You can join the Telegram channel. Okay, everyone can join. Yes. So here answers are coming. I can see the answer. So answer will be definitely D is the correct answer. Because just check it. A to B there is the path. B to E there is the path. E to G path is there. G to H path is there. H to F path is there. This is correct one definitely. Now do the next one. A to B path is there. B to F path is there. F to E there is no path. F to E there is no path. That's why option 2 is wrong. So you can then and there you can eliminate option 2. You can eliminate it. Now after elimination what you can do, see that already I know the option 1 is correct. So here is also option 1, here is also option 1. Option 4 in both. Now I will check option 3. Is it correct or not? Whenever I am checking option 3, I can see that A, B, then B to F, then F to G, then G to E. So that is also a correct answer. This is also correct. That's why I will go for this one only. No need to check option 4. Don't waste your time to check the option 4, because why I will waste my time? I already know that option 1 is correct. Option 4 is also correct. Option 3 is also correct. So option 4 to common in both. So definitely this is my answer. Don't waste your time. In exam hall, every 30 seconds, every 1 second is important for your exam hall. For your exam hall, every 1 second is important. That's why it is very important to save your time. Okay. And what should be your proper strategy to handle the exam? For that, today 7 PM I will take a class. I will take a class on YouTube only today 7 PM, and that will be on Unacademy YouTube, not in this channel. I will give you the link. Today 7 PM must join the class so that you can score a good marks. How to handle the exam hall, what should be the proper strategy through which you can get a good score. I am going to tell you everything today. So definitely join today 7 PM also. Okay. Yes. Now do the next question. Next question is the breadth first search. Do the answer. What will be the answer for breadth first search? Definitely my blessing is always with you. Definitely my blessing is always with you. No problem. You will be able to do it. All of you will be able to do it. That's why I am trying to give you all the important area. What is very important, from where questions are coming, we are solving here. Just solve it and your marks will be good. Don't worry. Don't worry. 4 marks you must it. Last time you missed it. Always remember, last time I missed the net, so this time I am going to get JRF. Okay. Always be positive. something I am not getting means more than that is waiting for me. Always remember that. You are missing for 4 marks, you will get more 40 marks. You will get more 40 marks here, so that you will crack the JRF. That should be your positive thing. So do this breadth first search, it is very important. Do this one. Okay, answers are coming here. Some students are telling option A is not correct, option C is the correct answer. So those who are telling option A, why it is not the correct answer, check it. I am telling you how to do it. Breadth first search is a little bit tricky. You need to understand breadth first search very carefully. Yesterday I told in artificial intelligence there was best first search. I told that it is exactly like BFS. It is working also exactly like BFS. I told that, right? So now you can see here. Now you can see here this one. How to do. See this. Whenever I am doing the BFS, anywhere I can start. There is, according to the option, I can start. First option is starting with M. So I will start with M only. Whenever you are starting with that, always whenever you are taking out M, before that you need to insert all the adjacent node of M. It can be in any order, but all the adjacent node will be there. Okay, adjacent node should be there. So adjacent node is this one, N, Q and R. So after M there should be N, Q, R. In any order N, Q, R should be there. You can see N, O, P. N is okay, O, P cannot come after N. Got it? Why it is not possible? Because after M, any order, it can be after M, N, Q, R possible, after M, Q, N, R possible, after N, N, R, Q possible, any order. There are so many orders are possible, that is okay, but out of N, Q, R, it will be the sequence. Other than that, anyone cannot come because it is not adjacent. P and O is not adjacent to M. And that's why option A is wrong. Is this clear? Is this clear? Yes or no? Why it is not? This is the reason why it is not. Now see that. Now for the option B also same thing. M, N, you are starting with N. Whenever you are starting with N, what will be happen? You are starting with N means what are the adjacent node of N? That is M, Q and O. So after N, Q, M is okay, but P cannot come. P is not the adjacent. That's why P cannot come. Here also if I am starting with Q, what will be happen? See that why the C is the correct answer. I am doing here how it is correct. If I am starting with Q, so Q, what are the adjacent one? M, N, P. As per the option I am giving the sequence M, N, P. That is correct. Now Q came out. M is whenever it is coming out, then I need to insert the adjacent node of M. N is adjacent, already it is there. Q is adjacent, already it is there. R is adjacent, I need to insert R. Okay? Okay? But it starts with Q only, not M. Who told that? Who told that it can start with Q only? You can start with anywhere. Where it is given, anywhere it is given that starting is Q. Who told that? It will be start with Q only, not with M. Nothing like that. There is no fixed rule that you have to start with this specific node. From anywhere you can start. Starting can be anywhere. Okay, Sheetal, it is not given like that from where you can start. So now you can see whenever I am taking out M, then the adjacent node of M is R and you have to insert R. It's done. Now you can see this is R matching here. So till now QMP that was correct, but after that suddenly here O came. That's why option D is wrong. O cannot come before R because O is not adjacent to M. That's why this is wrong. Now if you are taking out N, then you can insert O. Then you can insert O because it is adjacent to N. Now there is N, P, R, O. That is the correct sequence. That's why it will be the correct sequence. Okay? Clear? Is this clear? Why and how? How to handle it? The BFS, mainly questions are coming from BFS, and high chance maybe you can get the best first search also. You can get the best first search also. Same way you need to apply, just you need to insert according to the priority. In best first search there will be given the node priority, and according to the priority you need to do in ascending order. That is the difference between best first search and BFS. In BFS we need to maintain a priority queue. According to priority you have to insert it. High chance you can get the question from there also. Yesterday we explained the best first search. You can get question from there also. Okay? Clear? Is this clear? AI video not in the channel. Why? It's there in the channel. I give the link for the AI video. You are not getting AI video. AI video is there. I am giving you link for AI video. It's already there in the channel. So many students already watch also. Now there is 1.5k view in this video also. Here is this one. This is the AI video link. Okay, this is the AI video link. If there are BFS, then how to solve? That is DFS so easy. DFS so easy. DFS will be anywhere you are starting from. Anywhere if you are starting. If you are doing DFS, then what to do if you are doing DFS? What are connected? M connection, just go for the connection and do the DFS. That is the way. Okay. Yes. I shared the link here. I shared the link here. You can open the link. You can open the link. Okay. This is the AI link. Yesterday's AI link. This one. Video is showing, right? I think. Yes. Video is showing here. Video is showing. You can click on the link. You can check it. Chalo. So BFS, DFS, this is done. So BFS, DFS is done in data structure. Now the next data structure topic is linked list. From the linked list also highly expected you can get the question from linked list. So let's do some question on linked list. And topic of linked list is easy, but maybe in the question till now I can see 99 likes. Why it's not 100? Why it's not 100? You can click on the like button here. You can make it 100. Till now it is 99. Is it good? Those who did not click on like button till now, you can click on like button. Okay, you can click on like button. Chalo. Now the next one is this one. So linked list. In the linked list, depth first search there is nothing. Best first search, it is best first search is different algorithm, Depth first search, that is depth first search we already did. Okay, chalo. So linked list, whenever the linked list is going on, linked list, normal linked list, we know that ki here will be the head pointer, after the head pointer there is the next, from the next I can go to the next pointer, and always it is pointing to the next level, and it is the last one is calling null, right? Last one is calling null. So that is the thing here in the linked list going on. Now I will go for the question directly, so that you can solve the question, and these are highly expected question. I collected the question from different area. Do the question. It is a doubly linked list. So what is doubly linked list? You know the doubly linked list. Doubly linked list means, just doubly linked list, how it is going on. There are double arrow, right? Previous also, next also. That is called the doubly linked list. Previous pointer and next pointer both are there. That is called doubly linked list, right? So now you can see that we have declared a doubly linked list here. Here is the some question. Read the question and do the answer. Read the question and do the answer for this one, doubly linked list. Answers are coming. Yes, answers are coming. I can see. Yes, option is A is the correct answer. Here it is asking where forward and backward represent the forward and backward link is adjacent to the element in the list. Which of the following segments of the code deletes the node pointed by X from the doubly linked list if we assume that X points to neither the first node nor to the last node? How we can delete it? That is the given here. X is the area. So from any area, maybe I have given here the explanation also. You can see that it is my X. It is my X position. Now from the X position, if I am trying to delete it, what to do here? This forward need to update with this forward, because now it is updated. That's why I need to update the value. This one should be here, this one should be here, and this value should be go to the backward, this one, because now this one will be deleted, right? As I am deleting this one, so the updation is required. So just before deleting, the link should be updated. How the link should be updated? That is the X for backward forward equals to X forward, and X forward backward equals to X backward. I need to update it. Otherwise, so it will be not possible, right? Because otherwise there will be cut of the link. The link will be cut. That's why your answer will be this one. Got it? Got it. Now the next question. Here is a question of given two sorted consisting n and m nodes respectively, the task to merge, it is a merge sort algorithm. Merge sort I am not asking now. Other linked list question is, do this one. This is also linked list. Maybe algorithm, maybe I have to do next day. Let me cover the data structure part. It is a very vast subject. Very vast subject. Let me complete the data structure first. Do this one. Consider the single linked list. Here it is given. Now what will be the answer for this? Okay, answers are coming here. Yes, so answer will be here. The consider the singly linked list from where f is the pointer of the first element. So first element is given here and l is the last element. Now the time of which the following operation depends on the length of the list. Depends on the length of the list, that is the delete from the last. Why? Normally you will think that ma'am the last pointer is here, so directly I can delete. You can delete directly, but you need to update the last one to null. How you can update the last one to null? So that you need to traverse it. Otherwise how it will be updated? That's why you need to traverse, right? So that's why it is depending on the length. Directly if I am deleting, then so this one will be not updated. I need to update the next to null, right? Otherwise it will be not the end. So for doing it, I need to traverse, and that's why answer will be A here. Got it? Acha, now here is a question. You can see that given statement, this is option 1 and option 2 is given to you, and you need to do the answer. Insertion of an element should be done in the last node in the circular list, and deletion should be done in the last node of the circular list. These are given. What will be the correct answer? Okay, answers are coming here. Actually both are false. Actually no one is correct. Because why? Whenever we are inserting, how the inserting operation is going on? Insert operation are going on in three ways in circular list. That is inserting at the beginning of the circular list, inserting at the end of the circular list, or inserting in a specific. There are three ways. Here also deletion are going on also in three ways. That is deleting beginning from here, ending also, and in specific position also. Three ways are there. It was given that done in the last insertion should be done. Means it is telling you only in the last node. It is also given should be done. Means it is telling only in the last node. That is wrong. Both are false because I can do anywhere. That's why answer will be false here. Okay. So these are the types of some linked list question what can be asked. So now do this one, the doubly linked list question, also do it. After that we will go for the next topic. Next topic is I am going to ask you one question on array and one question on AVL tree. AVL tree is also very important topic. AVL tree rotation is coming. So AVL tree rotation question we will do, and some more other questions also we are going to do here. So do this one. In a doubly linked list, the number of pointer affected for a insertion operation will be what? Okay, so here the doubly linked list, the number of pointer affected for the insertion will be none of this, because it's not given that going to insert where in the linked list. If insert in the middle, then affected 4 pointer. If head or tail, then affected 2 pointer. But it is not given specifically. That's why answer will be not affected, because we did not, it is not clear to you. Question is not clear to you. That's why we can do this answer. So now I am asking you a very interesting question. Do this one. And it is a very interesting question. High chances there maybe you can get a question from here. Can you solve this question? This is a question of array. Can you solve this question of array? This is a question on array. there is three-dimensional array. It is a question on three-dimensional array, and from this three-dimensional array, it is a previous year's question of UGC NET only. And from here they ask this question, you need to solve it. Try to solve it. Can you do it? Can you do this? Okay, some students are answering. Those who know, they are answering, but those who don't know, they are not able to do. So answers are coming, and answer is option this one. This is the correct answer. Now why this is the answer? See that why this is the answer and how to solve it. How to solve? You can see here. I am going to explain you. See this image very carefully, and from this image your answer will be very clear. See this image. See this image. From this image your concept will be very clear. So you can see in this image we represented three array, that is the 0th array, first array and the second array. Three arrays are there. Now in this array I took that there are 2 rows and 3 columns. Here is also 2 row 3 column. Here is also 2 row 3 columns. Okay. Now whenever I am representing, then what are the elements? I insert the elements also here. These are the positions 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 2. These are the position. This is my first array, this is my second array, and this is my third array. In this way we are going to represent. Actually 3 arrays are there, but the 3 arrays will be in a consecutive way because there is contiguous memory location. Array is a contiguous memory location. There is no structure like 3D in your memory. Memory will save this like this way only. And out of that, this is your first row, this is your first row, this is your second row. Here also this is your first row, this is your second row. Here also this is your first row and this is your second row. Now how we are representing the matrix? We are representing the matrix in this way, that it is telling you how many matrices are there. Total 3 matrices, number of matrices. This is telling you number of row. This is telling you number of column, X, Y, Z. And this PQR is telling you it is in which matrix, it is in which row, and it is in which column. I want to find out this position, 2 1 1 position. So this 2 1 1 position is here. Now my target is from the base location. This is my base location. From the base location how I can traverse, and after traversing how I can reach to this position. That is our target. Okay. It is a 3D array. Three 2D arrays are there. Yes. So how I can reach to this position, that is our target. You can see how many rooms I am traversing here actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Actually 16 room I am traversing. Right? Because from here also you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16th one is your ultimate location. How I am getting this 16? Actually before reaching to this matrix, I am traversing the total 2 matrices. Right? I am traversing total 2 matrices. In each matrix, how many row, how many columns are there? In each matrix, 2 row and 3 columns are there. That is 2 into 3. After that, whenever I am reaching to the original matrix, in that matrix also I need to traverse the first row. In that first row, how many cells are there? 3 cells, that is 3 column. After that, how many columns are there? This is 1 column. That's why your answer will be like this. And how I am getting this answer? That's why you can see this answer. What is this? Check it very carefully. P is the number of array, means matrix you need to traverse. Total number of row. Z is total number of column. Q is row location. Z is total column again. R is the exact column location. In that way, finally you are getting your answer, that is W. W means the size. W is what? The size of each and every one. If it is an integer, then maybe 2 byte. If it is a character, then maybe 1 byte. That is my size. That's why W, and it is P multiply Y multiply Z. From here I am getting it. Then plus Q multiply Z multiply R, and that is your answer. So here you can get it, that P multiply Y multiply Z. You are getting this one, P multiply Y multiply Z plus Z multiply Q multiply Z plus R. Q multiply Z plus R. And this is your correct answer. Got it? How to do? How to do? लोअर बाउंड 0 से स्टार्ट होगा. हाँ, हमेशा. Array is always starting with 0. Array is always starting with 0. Definitely. Base is 0, right? Always base is what? 0. Array is always starting with 0. That's why base will be start with 0. This is a very important and different types of question. Data structure में कैसे भी स्टार्ट होता है? 0 0. Always it will start with 0, because we are doing array indexing with 0, right? Array indexing we are counting with 0. That's why we will start with 0 only. Okay, now let's do some more question on data structure, that is AVL tree. One question was there on AVL tree. Let's do that question, and that question is 22. Is it 22 question? 22 I think. No, this is not the. This one. This one is the AVL tree question. Splay tree, red black tree. Till now there was no question on this topic. Splay tree, red black tree. That's why now before exam I will not suggest you to go through that. Before exam, what are the important, that is we can do splay tree, black tree, definitely we can do later. After exam, whenever time is there, then you can go through that. But before exam I will suggest what are the important, from where questions are always asking, that is better to solve. Okay, so that's why I am focusing on that topic, from where questions are coming, and it is the expected area. That is only I am trying to cover. So here it is the AVL tree. So AVL tree rotation, right rotation, left rotation, how many rotations are required, how to frame the AVL tree. So it is the question on AVL tree. Draw it and do it. रेड बैक ट्री, स्प्ले ट्री आया था? ठीक है, मैं देखूंगी अगर आया था 2023 में आया था. Okay, I will check it. I think I need to continue this class again tomorrow, because in one day it will be not cover. We will be not able to cover everything. Tomorrow I will continue DS Algo. बनाओ BST. AVL tree is one type of BST also. AVL tree is one type of BST, but here you need to do the balance of right subtree and left subtree. You need to do the balance. That's why you need to do the balancing. The balancing is required here. Okay, answers are coming. Yes, option C is the correct answer. All of you are giving correct answer. So how to solve it? For that I am taking some page and I will discuss that. I am taking some page here. Do this one. Here is this one. TOC is there in TOC playlist. Ma'am, when you tell me when you can take TOC. TOC I will take tomorrow. We will continue algo. Day after tomorrow I can take TOC. Day after tomorrow I can take TOC. Okay. So here I will write down the sequence first. 35, 50, 35, then 50, then 40, 25, 40, 25, 30, 60, 30, 60, 78, 20 and 28. ठीक है. 35, 50, 40, 25, 30, 60, 78, 20, 28. Okay. So now how to do it? See that. Here first of all I will start with 35, that is starting, and it is following the property of BST. That's why 50 means it will go to the right child. It is going to the right subtree. And whenever you are inserting, then check the balance. Balancing factor means height of the right subtree minus the height of the left subtree. It should not be more than 1. It will be within 1, either 0 or 1. So you can see here the height is 0, here the height is 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. There is no problem. Now whenever I am inserting 40, where to insert 40? 35, 50, 40 is coming in the left. Now you can see here that is it height balanced? No, because here the difference is coming 2. Here in this child there is 0 and here is 2. So difference is coming 2. Now I need to do the balancing here. Whenever we are doing the balancing, I need to check the pattern. How the balancing is going on? LL, LR, RR and RL. When LL and RR, then directly we can rotate. But when it is LR, I need to change it in LL. And when it is RL, I need to change it in RR. Then I can rotate. That is the thing. Now what to do? See that it is what type of tree? It is RL type of tree. Right, left. RL type of tree. So for the RL type of tree, I need to change first of all to RR. RR means it should be looking like this. 35, how to make RR? I need to rotate in this way. That is 40 will go up and 50 will go down. 40 will go up, 50 will go down. That is right rotation is needed here. Right rotation needed here. Okay. So after right rotation, here I am getting this one is 35. The 35 will be as it is. That is okay. So this 35 will be as it is. 40 is going up and then 50 is going down. Now it is, you can see, now this is a right. Okay. Left not, it is a right rotation. I am right rotation. It is not the left. It is right rotation. It is not the left rotation issue. It is a right rotation. It is a right rotation. Now we are doing right. After that we have to do left. After that now I can do a left rotation. Now I can do a left rotation. After doing left rotation, how it will be? 40. Here is 35. Here is 50. Now you can see it is a balanced. Now is it balanced or not? Yes, this is now balanced because now balancing factor is 0. Because right subtree also height 1, left subtree also height 1. That's why here is 0. Got it? Clear? Is this clear? Yes. Now after that, next node, I want to insert 25. So 25 I will insert here. Is it matching? Yes. Now the height factor is 1 here. It is okay. Height factor is 1, no problem. 30 I am going to insert. Where to insert 30? Where I can insert 30 here? 30 I can insert here in the right of this one. Now you can see here there is a problem on height. You can see the height factor is coming 2 here. The height factor is coming 2 here means I need to change it to the left, right. This part I need to change in left, left. First of all I need to change this part into left, left. For changing to left, left, I need to do a left rotation here. I need to do a left rotation here, right? So whenever I am doing the left rotation, how it is looking like? 40, here is 50 as it is. After that 35 will be here, 30 will be here, and 25 will be there. Now it's done. Now after that again what I have to do here? Now I have to do a right rotation. Here I have to do a right rotation. After that finally your tree will looks like this one. 40, then here is 50, here will be 30, then 35 will be here and 25 will be here. Got it? Clear? This one now balanced. Now it is balanced because here is 0, here will be 1. It is balanced now. We got the balanced one. Now again what we insert? 30 we have inserted. Now next one is 60. So where to insert 60? 60 will be here. It is balanced. No problem here because here the balance factor is 1 now. Here the balance factor is 0 now. Here also 0. No problem. Now after that here is 78. Whenever we have to insert 78, how to do? I need to insert here. 78 I need to insert here. Whenever I am inserting again there is the problem because it is now height balance is 2. Height balance is 2 here. And it is what type of? It is right, right. So that's why in this part I need to do a rotation, that is left rotation. When I am doing left rotation, what to do? 40 is here, 30 as it is, 25, 35. Now 60 will go up, 50 will go down, and 78 will go in this side. In this way I can solve it. Is it or not? Now it is balanced. Now there is no problem. So I did here a left rotation. Now after that I am going to insert 78 is done. I am going to insert 20. Where to insert 20? I can insert 20 here and there is no problem. Here height factor is 1. Here also height factor is 1. Here it will be 1, 2, 3. Here is 2 means it is 1. Here is 0. No problem. Now you can see I need to insert 28. So 28 where I can insert? 28 I can insert here. There is also no problem. Now it's done. Now it's done. Your tree is done. Now count how many times left rotation, right rotation. Here right rotation 1 time, 2 time. 2 right rotation we did. And left rotation 1, 2, 3 left rotation we did. So 3 left rotation, 2 right and 3 left rotation we did. That's why answer will be 3 left and 2 right rotation. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Yeah, I hope so. Yes. I hope it's clear, right? Clear? Yes, data structure algorithm, some questions are definitely lengthy and definitely tricky, but we have to do, because data structure algorithm is very important. Very important questions are coming from here. You need to cover it. Okay, good. So now let's do the next question. And the next question was from the algorithm question we will do tomorrow, okay? Because algorithm question we will be not able to solve today. Acha, do one question. It was a spanning tree question, easy question. How many spanning tree can be found here? This is a graph. How many spanning tree can be there? Kavita, first time it is clear. Acha, good. That's good. If it is clear, that's good. Do this one. Here it is a spanning tree question. How many spanning tree you can found here? How many spanning tree can be there? Revati, for you also. That's good. Okay, if it is clear, that's good. So how many spanning trees here? You can do the answer. So here will be 8 spanning tree. Because why it is 8 spanning tree? We know that we can take n minus 1 edges. In a spanning tree there will be n minus 1 edges. So as there are how many nodes? 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes are there. And with the 4 nodes I can take ultimately how many edges? That is 3 edges are possible. 4 nodes, how many possibilities are there? There are 3 edges. 3 edges are possible. So as there are 3 edges, maximum 3 edges are possible, and every edge I can take 2 way. You can see from every node there are 2 way. Here is also 2 way. Here is also 2 way. Only for this one there are 3 way. Only for this one there is 3 way. So that's why total 3 edges I can take, and out of these 3 edges how many possibilities are there? With the possibilities we can do here, that will be the 8 possibilities. There are 8 possibilities. Yes, all of you are correct here. So now here is the question. These are algorithms question we will do tomorrow, I told already. Let's do the data structure question. Another question, that is this one. This is one question on spanning tree. Do this one. This is the spanning tree algorithm. It was asked on 11th March only. So minimum spanning tree. This is very important. Kruskals and prims. Nothing is mentioned here. Here nothing is mentioned. But you need to do a minimum spanning tree, and from here the options are given, and from the option you need to do the answer. And it will be the last question for today. I will end the session after this one, because 7 PM again class is there, and as I am talking too much in this class, so I will be not able to continue more. So tomorrow I will continue. Okay, tomorrow we will continue to do the questions because and algorithm, mainly focus on algorithm tomorrow. Data structure, most of the important question we did. Algorithm question we will do tomorrow. What will be the answer? Answers are not coming. Answers are not coming. What will be the answer? Okay, answers are coming now. Yes, option 3 is the correct answer. Why? Very carefully you can see, given above the age cannot be added in the order to find the minimum spanning tree. The order is given. Now you can see here it is starting with AB. So AB, this is the order. So whenever there are 1, I can take this one, this is 1, and I can take this one, this is also 1. So either I can start with AB or I can start with DF. There are the two possibilities. I can start with AB or I can start with DF. Whenever I am starting with option A, this is option A, this is option B. So after A, B can be possible, after B, A can be possible. So that's why here you can see AB, AB, BA, BE, that is okay. Next option is I will go for 2. What are 2? I can see here is 2. 2 means that is BF. BF is 2. Another 2 is there, that is CD. CD is also 2. Any other 2 is there? No. So BF means option C and CD means option D. Means I can take C or D, any one of them. So you can see here there is CD, there is DC, there is CD. Here is CE, it is not possible. After C definitely D should come. After CE cannot come because CE, here E is DE. DE means this is DE, that is 3. Before completing 2, I cannot go for 3. I have to complete 2 fast. After that I can go for 3. That is the concept. So as it is doing this one, that's why it will be the wrong answer. And that's why your correct answer will be this. Because how the Kruskal's is working? Kruskal's is working with that key, it will make a list. If I am describing Kruskal here, it will make a list like that in ascending order. Which one are degree 1? Degree 1 is here. I can do AB. After that degree 1 is DF. Now I will go for degree 2. Degree 2 is what? That is BF. And the degree 2 is there. Another degree 2 you can see, that is CD. So CD. These are degree 2. Degree 3, if I am coming, degree 3 I will make the list, that is BC and DE. So we will make a list like that, BC, DE. Any other degree 3 is there? No. After that we will go for degree 4. I can see the degree 4. What are degree 4 here? That is I can see BD and the CE. These are degree 4. After that finally you can go for degree 5. Degree 5 is only one, that is degree 5. Degree 5 I am writing here. Degree 5 is EF. Any other degree 5 is there? No. Degree 6 is this one, that is AC. So whenever we are drawing, then we need to go for the order, and I need to check, is it creating cycle? If it is not creating cycle, then I can go ahead, then I can do. So whenever I am drawing the spanning tree, how my spanning tree will be looks like? My spanning tree will be looks like according to the crucible. Here if I am starting with AB, this is your AB. After that DF I have to take. I will take the DF here. After that I can go for BF. So BF is this one. I can go for this one, BF. After that I can go to CD. So which one is CD? I can go to this CD. This is not creating cycle. I have to check, is it creating cycle? I cannot create a cycle also. Till now it is not creating cycle. BC. Can I go for BC? BC I cannot go, because if I am taking BC, then it will create cycle. That's why I cannot take BC. Can I take DE? I can take DE. It is not creating any cycle. Can I go for BD? BD, can I go for BD? I cannot go because it will create a cycle. Can I go for CE? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There was 6 vertices, and for the 6 vertices I need to cover 5 edges. How many edges we cover? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the 5 edges are done. Now you can stop. So ultimately your graph is, your spanning tree is looking like this. This is your spanning tree. In this way you need to cover crucibles. According to crucibles you have to do in this way. According to prims, that is in different way. This is according to crucible. Prims will go for whenever you are starting with the node, whenever you will start with the first node, then after that you need to traverse according to the connected one. You cannot go for any disconnected one. That is the main difference between prims. It is crucible, okay? It is according to the crucible. But whenever you are going to prims, then you need to go for only the connected adjacent edges. Out of the adjacent edges, you need to go for that which one is minimum. That will be the answer. Okay. So we will continue the class, because today I will end the session now. 7 PM again class is there for the strategy. I will come live on Unacademy YouTube channel. But here I am stopping the session now. Tomorrow we will do the more algorithm question. There are lots of algorithm question. So we will do that. Mostly today we cover all the data structure question, all types of data structure, whatever coming in exam we did it. And tomorrow all the PYQs of algorithm with the data structure also, if the questions are there, that we can do. Okay. So bye everyone. I hope this session will be helpful to you, because I try to cover all the concept. With the concept I discuss, so that those who don't have the concept, they can learn also. That was my target, because it is a conceptual subject. We cannot go for like only theory. So bye everyone. See you again tomorrow again for the algorithm. 3 PM again we will meet tomorrow. Bye. See you again tomorrow. And must comment in the comment section after ending the session. Must comment in the comment section. Come back here again and comment in the comment section, not in the chat box. I am telling you to the comment in the comment section. Whenever you are commenting, I am feeling happy to read your comments, and I am feeling motivated. So that's why you